Breaking: Pi Network's $314,159 GCV reportedly enforced by cross-chain smart contracts. In a development that is sending ripples through the cryptocurrency community, newly surfaced code snippets allegedly leaked from the Pi Network ecosystem suggest that the project is constructing a cross-chain smart contract infrastructure designed to anchor the global consensus value, GCV, of Pi at a fixed rate of $314,159 per coin. This revelation, which has yet to be confirmed officially by the Pi core team, comes amid growing anticipation of Pi Network's transition to open mainnet. If accurate, it may mark a revolutionary shift in how digital value is managed, transferred, and stabilized across decentralized systems. A new era of value stability. Technical analysts and blockchain developers studying the leaked smart contract references have pointed to code elements indicating that the Pi ecosystem is building a decentralized, autonomous pricing mechanism. This system would allow Pi to be exchanged across multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum, BNB chain, and potentially others, while preserving its internally agreed-upon GCV. Unlike traditional market-driven cryptocurrencies whose values fluctuate dramatically based on supply and demand, this approach aims to establish Pi's value through smart contract-enforced consensus, shielding it from external volatility and speculation. The cross-chain architecture may enable the Pi coin to function as a globally accepted unit of value with fixed purchasing power, regardless of where or how it is used. Building a multi-chain economy based on consensus. If implemented successfully, Pi Network could become the first project in crypto history to link a decentralized value standard to an enforceable smart contract mechanism spanning multiple chains. In practical terms, this could pave the way for seamless exchange of Pi for other digital and fiat assets at GCV rates. Cross-chain decentralized finance, DeFi, applications using Pi with predictable value. Merchant and enterprise adoption, backed by stable and enforceable pricing logic. Greater protection of users' assets from speculative trading or market manipulation. This framework may also prevent centralized exchanges from dictating Pi's market price, instead allowing the community itself to uphold the value standard through transparent and tamper-resistant code. Implications for open mainnet. The alleged leak further suggests that Pi Network's upcoming open mainnet launch may not be a routine transition but a carefully orchestrated rollout of a novel economic architecture. By embedding GCV enforcement into smart contracts, Pi could offer a level of security and predictability that has eluded most cryptocurrencies to date. Such a launch would not only enable decentralized applications, dApps, to go live in rapid succession, but also unlock utility scenarios previously considered too unstable due to price volatility. From cross-border trade to micropayments, from tokenized property to everyday purchases, the promise of Pi as a reliable store and transfer of value becomes more plausible. A vision that goes beyond code. Though details remain unconfirmed, the leak points to a broader vision at work, one that is not solely about listing Pi on exchanges or driving price speculation. Instead, it reflects a methodical attempt to build an equitable, inclusive digital economy governed by logic, transparency, and community consensus. Critics may question whether such a model can work in practice, but supporters argue that Pi Network has already done what many others could not. It has engaged over 60 million users globally, fostered grassroots development of real-world utilities, and upheld a strong community commitment to fairness and accessibility. If the GCV enforcement mechanism materializes, it could signal the start of a new financial paradigm, one where value is not dictated by centralized actors or unstable markets, but defined and preserved by the people who use it. The road ahead. For now, the crypto world watches with cautious optimism. Is this the dawn of a stable, people-powered digital currency? Or is it an ambitious experiment yet to be proven? While the final outcome remains to be seen, one thing is certain: Pi Network is no longer just a novel app. It is positioning itself as a serious contender in the future of global finance. If the leaked code is to be believed, Pi's global consensus value is not just an idea, it is being encoded, protected, and potentially enforced at the protocol level. And that, in the world of blockchain, changes everything.